we do should be rooted to love. Masarap maka-receive ng pagmamahal, pero masarap din mag-share ng pagmamahal.
I had so much fun sharing the stage with you. Guys, thank you so much for having me. The pleasure is all mine. Isn't she such a talented young lady? I was really surprised that she invited me here and to hear that she is a fan of my music. So it's nice to see you all, you beautiful faces. And of course, you. You are just such one successful, talented, loved woman, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Give it up for Denise Julia! That's the message I want to tell them. You have magic. Not just me, you have magic. And that's what I want to tell you guys. And hopefully through our concert, I make every single one of our audience there feel like, okay, I'm capable of so many things and I'm capable of magic. Open our eyes and we're being able to breathe, eat, you know, live another day. That's magic. That's magic itself. But seeing it in the context of music and siguro the last concert, that was truly magical to me na ang saya na we were all in one venue celebrating and just singing, and nakakatawa na they were singing, chanting the songs. That was a magical moment for me.
If you guys know this song, sabayan niyo. Wish I could go back to sunsets and dreams of you. Sometimes I feel you all over again when you have me close. Sometimes puso niya. Kahit hindi man kami ang wakas, ikaw lang naman ang lunas ng aming pag-ibig. Kahit wala na kami. Sex was the number we Dati ay di nakalusot, ikaw lang naman ang nakakaalam na sagot. Babae lang ako at sa maling akala, anong iyong sagot? Grabe naman yung kantang yan! That was Pakisagot, another song from my EP Believe. It answers the question, why does God allow heartbreak? Right? Can I ask you, I want to ask our audience. Kayo po. Sino po? Ayan! Sige, sige! Ay, layo. Paano mo bumaba? Pwede ba? Kayo na lang po, dito lang. Gusto ko lang kayo tanungin. Why does God allow us to feel hurt? For us to heal. And for us to understand what healing feels like. Yes. Tama! You know, the song is full of questions and the inner monologue of someone who knows God is in control. Despite of whatever we're going through, God is in control. But sometimes, you know, an explanation would be nice. Mahirap magtiwala pag ang dami mong tanong. Pero you know, sa kabila ng mga tanong sa utak mo, may darating na isang tao sa buhay niyo. Hindi mo alam, pati apelido mo biglang magbago. Oy, pinapangarap lang, ito'y tinititigan na. Di na ginip ang lahat pagkat nandito na. Hindi natutuhangin gamitin apelido mo. Di na mag-iisa gamit ang apelido mo. Can't Buy Me Love family, they're here tonight. Direct Me was here earlier. Achi, I missed you. And sa inyong lahat na nandito, of course, Kyla Estrada, Jello Marquez, Anthony Jennings, Bong Gonzalez. Who else is here? Did I miss anyone? Dancers tonight sa A-Team, grabe kayo. Musical director, of course, Maestro Ian, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng prod, staff and crew ng Believe, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. And to all the brands and sponsors na patuloy ang pagtitiwala sa akin, thank you so much po. Santino, Inigo, Natalia, my titos and titas, lolos, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for believing in me. And especially, Father God Almighty, I don't wanna get emotional. Father God Almighty, thank you. And sa lahat, sa inyong lahat ngayon na nandito, sa Theater ng Soler, thank you. Oy, naiyak ako! Hindi po tayo tapos! Bawal pa! Oy, hindi. Mamaya. Thank you so much for being part of my concert. From the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you guys enough for believing in me since day one. You made this young dreamer's dream come true.